Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on our September Build a Journal challenge, where we spend September building a journal one day at a time. It is September 21st, and for the 21st, all we're doing is gathering paper scraps and fabric scraps. Why are we gathering paper scraps and fabric scraps? Because we're going to be making paper and fabric flips. So, what I want you to do today is gather either 10 paper scraps or 10 fabric scraps to make 2 flips tomorrow, or gather 5 paper scraps and 5 fabric scraps to make 2 flips tomorrow. So you're either going to make 2 paper flips, 2 fabric flips, or 1 of each. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 of each, and I've already actually gathered my stuff because, funny enough, if you don't watch any of my other videos but these, you have no idea that I moved my craft room. My craft room was in my bedroom for a long time, and then last week, actually, hold on. So I film ahead, today's the 16th. So on the 12th, I believe, I decided, no, the 11th, 10th or 11th, I decided I'm moving my craft room downstairs. So that's what I've been doing. And before I did that, I had gathered everything because my bedroom was kind of hard to navigate. I'd have to move a bunch of stuff to get to like my fabric drawer and all of that. So while I had everything out the last time I filmed, I said screw it, and I got everything out. So I already have everything out and ready to go. So this will be a short one because I'm just going to show you what I have gathered. Okay, so I have, I believe, 5 pieces of paper, and this is what I chose. So I have the pink plaid, this yellow and white polka dot, this black. I think most of these are one-sided. So these are one-sided, this is double-sided, so is this one here. See? But it's like this green daisy, and then this red and speckled gray plaid. So this is the paper I chose for my flip. And then I have ribbon here to go across if I choose, or I could use another piece of paper. It all depends what I want to do when the time comes. So I have that. And then for the fabric, I have more of this tulle I got from Temu. It was labeled as a table runner. Also, since I have a new setup, as you can tell, I have a new desk and I have a new setup. It may take me a while to get used to my field of view because my new desk is 4 inches deeper and 18 inches wider than my old desk. So bear with me, okay? And with the lighting situation, I have an overhead light on today, so we'll see if that's a little bit better. We'll see. So I have this, and then you'll notice a lot of these are things that I used in my journal already, so I'm just pulling them out again. This is a piece of farmhouse fabric that I got at the Dollar Tree. I use this for a ruffle. This here is Pioneer Woman fabric that I got on clearance at Walmart for 17 cents. It's very pretty. I used the blue in my journal, so I grabbed the red. I used the blue as a ruffle, so I grabbed the red. I also have the blue sitting over here, but I don't think I'm going to use it. But it's here in case I do decide I want to use it. Okay. Just in case. I only need 5 pieces, but you never know what I might decide to use. And then I have a piece of the fabric I used on my cover. So let me see about pulling out this camera. Hold on. Okay, we'll see if that's better. I'm actually getting a new camera mount today, so this isn't even going to be my permanent setup. But I haven't crafted in so long. I just wanted to make some videos. It's been sad. So yes, this is my cover fabric. So I grabbed that, and then lastly, I have this fabric here that came in a set of Christmas fabric, but I think it goes very well. But see, the thing is, I don't want to use two reds, though I guess I could because they're completely different. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. So we have all of this. Okay, so for today, I just want you, oh, and then I have this wood grain ribbon that I thought I would use to go across the top of my stack of fabric. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's wired, right? Isn't it? Yes, it's wired. See? Wired. Anyway, so then I have this that I thought would go great across the top. Okay, so for today, all I want you to do is grab your fabric scraps and your paper scraps. Like I said, if you only want to do fabric flips, grab at least 10 pieces of fabric. If you only want to do paper flips, grab at least 10 pieces of paper. If you want to do a mixture of both, grab at least 5 of both. If you don't want to do ribbon toppers or anything like that, you don't have to. But we'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make the flips, and then the day after we'll be adding the flips to our journal. So I have 2 different ways to add the flips. Actually, I have multiple ways to add the flips, but I have 2 ways I'm going to add the flips. So I will see you back here tomorrow to make the fabric flips. Comment down below. Let me know which one you decided to do. Are you doing paper or fabric or a mixture of both? And like, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day.